presentable. Steam. Yum, yum, yum. So let's eat. Today's video, I'm gonna cook king strip bass or Chinese style, and follow the procedure if you like it or if you want to make this kind of dish. So this is already clean right here. I want to remove the tail. So we're gonna slice a little bit slant. Both sides. So this one, we want chicken. Salt. Down the paper, same the other side. And squeeze our lemon. I will wait until the water flows. Set aside. Add your garlic, green onions, and red bell, little pepper. Smash and crush some garlic. Just like that. We're gonna use for our sauce. This is too big, so just only for the garnish or toppings. So also like julienne or very thin slice. Green onions, scallion, or leeks, onion leeks. The water is boiling, so we're gonna add our fish right here. Clean our fish. Just for about 20 minutes. Tangan natin. Timer 20 minutes. Prepare tayo ng sauce. Hindi natin sa sauce ay susundan nyo na lang. Sulat ko na lang sa description. Okay. Fish sauce or patis. Cooking wine. Soy sauce. So, okay na yung ating steamed fish. So, set aside lang natin. Tapos, gawa tayo ng sauce. So, we're gonna make the sauce. So, put we're gonna cook our sauce. So make it sure we're gonna add our pan before we add oil. So now we're gonna add our olive oil. Just spread it out. And then we add our garlic. Then we add our cooking wine. Around 2 tablespoons. Half cup of water. Soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then fish sauce or patis. 1 tablespoon. Squeeze of lime. Brown black pepper. And we're gonna taste it. We add fish sauce, so we set aside. We do for cooking. Oh. We're gonna add our toppings just like that. So easy. Make it presentable. There you go. Steamed fish. Yeah. Delicioso. Yeah. Chinese style. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and give me a like.